Good morning, everybody. Ugly American living in the Philippines. We are headed down to the piggery. Gonna walk down that steep hill and see what's going on down there. They've finished the pig pens, and Mr. Leo's doing some work down there, so we'll see what's up.
How many crackers do you have out pero sa layong?
Skyflex ako
Oh, just
Yeah, pa man lagi dapat tagpuan na ini.
Let's go. Diyan na kay Glenn kapasok.
Silong.
This is Melody and Carla's house. I've seen their kids out here all the time. Hey, hi you guys. See you guys on the way back. Good morning. And this is the creek right here, right by our property, that has been dried up. Oh, I thought that was a wood side. It's just a gate. So they're just going to keep it the way it is, just build it up and put in a gate. What are they saying?
The pigs were eating the blacks. Got a lot of water.
So here they built this up one more row of brick. Now it's all the same height. And they're building this up down here because the walls are too high for them to feed them easily. So they're going to build this up and then concrete over top of it so it doesn't get muddy right out here in front of the pens. Hey boys! Oh my God, I didn't do nothing.
Yeah, they're very big.
Oh, you going right there? Hey boys, how are you? You're the friendly one, aren't you? How you like your new home? Had those gates made right there. Rebar. They're going to build this side up too with dirt, just so that it's easy to get over the top. Back there's the septic tank that Mr. Lario built. See it right there. They really do conserve cement. They only plastered the front. I don't know why. It doesn't even look like they use cement in between every block. They did just put on the new aluminum roof. They haven't decided what they're going to do with this middle wall yet. And they're just going to wait till they get rid of some of the pigs or sell these pigs, and I don't know. They're going to decide later. So they're going to leave the wood for now too in the back? Yeah. Oh boy. Okay. Pigs are so stupid. They keep getting their heads stuck in the rebar, but they just keep doing it over and over. Alright. Smoking the place up. Burning up all the dead banana leaves. Honey, you ready to go? You gonna stay here?
Yeah, I'm gonna stay here.
All right.
What are we gonna do there?
All right. Well, I'm gonna go get in the air conditioning. That's what I'm gonna do. All right. Well, I'm getting ready to head out. I was just staying here. That concludes our visit to the land of the lost. Go back in time. Prehistoric. It really does look like something from that movie, The Land of the Lost. Oh, you missed me already? Oh, well, come on then. I'm gonna stop there and take a break.
Really?
Yeah. Kids,
Hello.
I'm gonna come sit down. Oh. Hey, Joanne. Say it, Sophia. Say it. See you later, alligator. All right. See you later, alligator. Bye, you guys. The kids are so sweet. Hey, you guys. Are you waiting for a bus? I was just kidding. Oh, it's hot today. All right. Made it home. Oh, I just wanted to add one thing. Thank God for air conditioning. I couldn't live here if I didn't have air conditioning. But that was true of Key Largo too. So, all right, Ugly American, live in the Philippines, over and out.